chance music is music that is created inside of a very set structure, but the sounds that happen during this structure are to some degree uncontrollable and vary every time the piece is performed. And it's this variation that gives you the musicality of the piece. The guy who's best known for doing this sort of stuff is John Cage. John Cage is very hard to describe in his musical conception. You kind of have to listen to it to understand what his attempts were. Now, he in his life did compose very normal compositions as well and was a gifted composer, but he's more famous for being unique, to say the least. We're going to listen to two of his compositions. One will show you how he uses just various objects to make music, thus going back to the non-traditional instruments. And second, we're going to listen to his 4:33, which is basically 4 minutes and 33 seconds of nothing. It sounds stupid, like why would you sit there and listen to it? But the idea is, when you're sitting there with your ears turned on trying to listen to this music, what else do you hear? If you're in a concert hall, you might hear a guy cough. You might hear a chair squeak. If you're sitting at your desk at home, your pencil may roll. You may hear the dog next door barking, or your cat screaming, the microwave bell going off, a TV in the next room. But those are the things that become the music. And this redefines what we were saying about silence being an extremely important part of 20th century classical music. And another thing is, a lot of these compositions are really experiments. And it's important to know that in a lot of 20th century music, the final result was not important to the musicians. They were more interested in the experiment than the outcome. That's actually a test question, so you may want to take notes of that.